All right, guys, so I'm going to show you how to make the template or the skeleton for your zine today. So what you're going to need is an A4 piece of paper, some scissors, and just a pen. And this one's only going to be a practice, so don't stress too much if you don't get it right the first time. Maybe have some spare paper on hand so you can have a few goes. But yeah, let's get cracking. So to fold your zine, as I said, you're going to start off just with your A4 piece of paper here. And what we're going to do, we're going to fold it this way. And when we're folding, we really want it to be folded very accurately. So we don't want, you know, when you fold it and there's a little bit maybe hanging off the side, we want it to be as accurate as possible because these pages all have to be kind of the same size. So you want it to be very accurate. So if you look on this side, we can see that it's folded very accurately. So we're going to give that a good press down, just make sure it's really nicely folded. Okay, so we have our A4 piece of paper there. The next thing we're going to do, so we're going to unfold it and we're going to fold it the other way. So again, make sure it's nice and accurate. This is going to be the template, so we want it to look really good. So we're going to fold it like that. So if you see, if we unfold it, you can see that we've got a fold horizontally and a fold vertically. So now what we're going to do is we're going to fold it in, I guess, quarters or in half of the half. So we're going to take that edge, we're going to bring it into the center. And we're going to be, again, really accurate. Take your time with this. So as you can see, I've made a little mistake there. I'd probably start again if this wasn't a demonstration. And this is why it's really important to take your time with this. So we're going to do the same on the other side. This might take a few goes. Don't stress out if you don't get it first time. As you can see, I still make mistakes. So, you know, it's not about the mistakes we make, it's just about learning from them. So let's fold that again. And you can kind of see here, those pages are starting to appear. So that's what we're after here. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to fold it in half that way again. And we're going to take our scissors and we're going to cut along this line just to that center point. So we're cutting on both sides of the paper here, you can see. Really, really accurately and really slowly, because again, we want this to be spot on. So as you can see, it looks like that. So what we're going to do now is we've got our piece of paper like this. We're going to fold it the way we folded it the first time, so horizontally. Then we're going to stand it up on its edge. We're going to hold it really firmly here and here. And we're going to push those pages together. And as you can see, we can fold it into that zine shape that we're after. And then once you're looking through it, and once you've folded it, sorry, you'll be able to front cover, page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4, page 5, page 6, and page 7. So we've done well here. There is our zine. So what you could do after that is, you know, you could just mark out where things are going to go, and we'll have a look what it looks like afterwards. So if we unfold it again, we can see where all of our pages are going to be. So as I said when we we're kind of introducing the unit, I would recommend not drawing straight onto the paper. I think I would much prefer you guys to fold a couple of these, draw your pages on here, cut them out, and then put them onto a skeleton that you've made for your final zine. So we can talk about that more in class, but I think what's important today is just have a go at folding it, okay? So it does take a little bit of practice. It's not entirely intuitive, but I think you guys will do well. So good luck.